Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheelspace's unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about a Hub-centric wheelspace's cause vibration. Let's go. Installing the Hub-centric wheel spacers can provide a higher stability. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. And the BONOSS wheel spacer can also be wheel adapter with different data, providing vehicle owner with more choice. The machining accuracy of BONOSS spacers reach a accuracy of 0.02 mm, making the gap as accurate as a hair, and it will be very smooth when you install it. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.